Hey guys and girls, so just as an update, I've been flushing this unit for about 20 minutes, maybe just a bit longer, and I don't know if it's from the actual hose or not, but you can see the water's kind of this bluish tinge, so I think it's getting some of the sediment and calcium and all those particles out of there. So we'll go ahead and turn this off. We'll allow everything to drain back down into the bucket. And then what I'd like to do is take everything here and I'll move it over to the mop sink here, and we'll run through a couple buckets, like full-size buckets of water, just to get the vinegar out of the actual pump, because it will cause it to rust pretty quick. So I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Thanks guys.